Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to agree or decline the marketing consent in the Clubcard Tesco application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the top of the page, look for the Application Settings button and click on that. And then at the Settings section, click on the Marketing Consent button. And it's about receiving special offers. So once you read that through, you can decide if you want it or not. So if you want, then just click on the yes please button and it is updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.